Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now let's have a look at modifying themes. Now PowerPoint allows you to modify a particular theme without changing anything else. Now let's say you want to select a new theme color without affecting the overall theme. Just go to the design tab, then under the variants group, click the more drop down arrow, then hover over colors. Now select the color palette that you want. I'll go with red, and the presentation will update to show the new theme color. Again, if you want to customize the colors that you have, you can come back to the variants group under the design tab, click the more drop down arrow, then under the colors menu, come to customize color, and from here you can customize the colors that you want and add a new theme color that you want. So let's say I want to customize this text background dark one. I can come over here and select this one as the new color, then give it a new name. I can give it let me just give it file 1, then click save. So that way I've customized the color palettes that I have. Now let's look at selecting new theme fonts. Let's say you want to change the font without the changing a theme's overall look. Again, under design tab, come to the variants group, then click the more drop down arrow, then under fonts, choose the font that you want to work with, and it will update itself. The presentation will update to show the new theme fonts. Again, if you want to customize theme fonts, if you have a specific font in mind for a presentation, it's easy to choose your own theme font. So you'll just come here, click the more drop down arrow, under fonts, go to customize fonts. Now under this dialog box that will appear, it will appear with two current theme fonts, that is the heading font and the body font. Now to change the fonts, click the drop down arrows, and from here you can change the font as you wish. Then once you're done, give it a new file name. I'll call it file 2, then click save, and the presentation will update to show the new custom theme fonts. Now let's again you want to select a new theme effect. You want to apply a new theme effect which will quickly change the appearance of shapes in your presentation. So what you do is you come to the variants group under the design tab, click the more drop down arrow, then under effects, choose the effect that you want to work with. Now you can see the changes that are happening on my red line. It's kind of giving a preview. So I'll select this one, and the presentation again will update itself and show the new theme effects. Now to further customize your slides, you can change the background color by choosing a different background style. Now to apply a background style, again from the design tab, click the more drop down arrow under the variants group, then select background styles. Now from here you can change the background color and choose whichever one you want. But if you want even more control over the background, you can click the format background. If you come back here under background styles, click the format background command, and from here you can choose whether you want a solid color, a gradient, a picture, or texture fill, a pattern fill. You can select whichever one you want and make your changes. Then once you're done, you click reset background. So that's how you customize your background, your background in PowerPoint. Now you can also save a custom theme. If you want, if you've created your own custom theme, you can choose to save it and use it on other presentations. Now to do this, go to the design tab, then click the drop down arrow under themes. Then from here, select save current theme. Now a dialog box will appear. Now type a file name. Now it's already given itself a file name, theme 1. Then click save. Now if I click the more drop down arrow, I have this custom theme that I've just created. And that's how you save a theme in PowerPoint.